if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms.
Now how you feel for say? Come here say when me feel for say. Now how you feel for say?
Hey guys! Okay, so guys, you see I have my mini-me with me today, and what we'll be doing is we're actually going to be trying on
my clothes for me.
Yeah, and my clothes too. So we're going to be trying on. Yeah, I have clothes too. So we have 2 packages from SHEIN and 1 package from Temu. Now these are some like summer stuff. We got sandals, we got bags, we got fits, right? So these are basically packages for me and Tavania.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna try to see how they're looking, and we're gonna do a mini-me and me try on haul today. So it's gonna be the first for us. So let's see how it goes. So the first thing we're gonna do, we have 1 Temu as I said before, so we're gonna find that. So we got 1 Temu package here, and for some reason this shocked me when it actually came, because normally Temu is in, or Temu, whatever they call, is in an orange package, and this is no white. So I thought it was SHEIN until I saw the label. They've been here for a while now. I'm not sure exactly what's in the package, so we're gonna go through them one by one. So let's see. Let's open up.
So me, you.
Whichever one come out first is what we're gonna try. So if it's me, it's me. If it's you, it's you. Okay. Okay. Box, and this seems like it's I think it's the glasses. Yep.
Is it mine?
It is. No, this one is mine's, mama. Oh man, this one is mine's.
Huh.
So this is a shade.
Ooh.
Ooh, right?
You have to try it on.
Look, the details of this. This is so cute.
Put it on.
Let's see if it fits me.
Ooh.
Does it?
Yeah.
It does? Guys, what you think?
Spin thumbs up. When you like it. Spin.
Just drop a comment in the comment section. How about that?
Yeah.
Drop a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think.
Forgot to say
But this, oh, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Like this video, comment under the comment section, and share. So this is it, guys. Ooh, I like it. Let me see. It is so dark. I really can't see anything. Like, this is super dark. I think I like it.
Can I try it?
So let's go with the second. Another box coming up. I feel another. She said, please be me, please be me. This is yours. Yeah. So we got our sunglasses, and this one is for Savannah. So this one. Ooh, let me show them, Tevi. This is so cute. So this is like a little, like a, what do you call it? It's like a butterfly.
It is a butterfly.
Yeah. This is it.
It's a purple butterfly one.
It's a pink butterfly. Let's try it on. What? Tevi, this is. Look at it, guys.
It looks all purple in this.
Guys, this is given, oh my god, like a movie, like a rock star type vibes. Like, I love this. You like it, Tevi?
Yeah.
This is so cute. So cute. Alright, let's see. And it comes with
the end?
yeah, it comes with a little cloth to clean it as well. Another glasses coming over. This one looks like you again, Tevi.
It is.
Is it yours? Let's see. Oh, it is you.
Yay!
Oh my god.
It has
Guys, look at this. This is so cute. Hey God, what is this? Rhinestones on it. Oh my god, let's try this on, Tevi.
Yes, I was about to say.
The side, guys.
Can I see?
It is so nice.
Oh, everything looks orange and yellow. OMG, this looks pretty.
Guys, I feel like Tavana, no shape can go wrong with her face. Look at this. This is so nice. That is so nice. I love this for you, mommy. This is so cute. Alright, let's see. Alright, so Tavania wants to do the honors and grab the other one. So
Now I'm gonna close my eyes. My eyes good.
Alright, grab. Let's grab. What are you feeling for? Another glasses. This is the one you wanted to grab? This
No.
is for you. I feel like this is
You.
this is mine based on the size. Another glasses, guys.
For me?
No, this one is mine.
Ah! Let me try it. Let me try.
Alright guys, so this is another one from me. This one
You
is
got two,
simple,
I got
similar to what I had before. As a matter of fact, I feel like it's Tebi, this is the same thing like yours, except for the rhinestone. Look, this one make everything look orange, brownish. Yeah, so this is definitely given. I like.
Beautiful.
This is how it's looking. Alright, she wanted clothes, so she pulled out clothes. And this is actually for her.
Yay!
So this is, you know, it's a Timo that gets, it's just a rose red. Timo, don't get description. It's a dress.
Ooh.
Yeah. A
That's
spaghetti
pretty.
dress, black. And then it has like a little vest that goes over it. This is rose pink. And then it comes with, what is this? Like a little bag. Oh, this is cute. Very unusual, like a waist bag.
It's black and pink.
Yeah, like a waist bag. Guys, this is how this is looking.
Let me do this twirl for them.
So this is how the dress is looking by itself. And everything that I have here is actually a size 6. Alright, okay. Let's put on this vest.
I just love this dress. That's why I'm
Come.
acting like this.
Guys, Tavania loves dresses on a whole. Like, if she has anything else to wear in the world, she will choose dress every single day. So this is the dress with the vest on. Nice, nice, mommy, nice. Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, let's try the bag.
See?
The thing is, I don't see where it can adjust.
Oh, Mama, it can put things in the too.
Yeah. I don't see where it can adjust, so let's see how it fits. So this can't really adjust. So that is gonna be the, oh, I may have to take it up. I'll have your grandma.
Show this.
Yeah. This is it with the bag. The bag is a little bit too big. So I'm gonna have to take in the strap and it can't adjust. But that is the outfit.
That just fell off.
It fell off.
happened?
Can't easily go on back. Cute and all, guys, but I just wish that it was able to adjust more so it can tighten on our waist. But we may have to just take it in, or she don't wear it at all. Okay, so this is a sandal for me.
I knew it. Oh, I love the things on it. Look at it.
So this is the sandals, like a Bridget look-alike. This is very cute. I've been eyeing the sandals for a very long time. So it feels very comfy. It feels a little bit loose, to be honest. Like the straps are a little bit loose. I didn't want it very tight, but like it is it's loose. But apart from that, it is very cute. And this, I think this was a size 8. 41 equal to a size 8. So yeah. She's just going for clothes for her to try. But this is not even yours. This is mine.
I'm looking for shoes.
You're looking for shoes?
For me.
So this is a t-shirt. I thought it was black, but it's actually like a navy blue medium. It says husband, daddy, protector, king. Oh wait, hold on. No, this is for Troy. I bought this for Troy. I bought this for my husband. So it says husband, daddy, protector, king. So this is for my hubby. I saw it and I saw him.
Daddy was
So,
your
yeah.
hubby.
So this is for hubby. So we're gonna give that to him. Alright, let me pick now. Oh, we got more glasses up in here. And this looks like
That's why I
its
did
own.
It's a Hello Kitty one. I really wanted the Hello Kitty glasses. Sorry, I said for you.
Crush my soul. This is it.
So, a little bit.
Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. So that's her. That is she. That is her. You love that one?
Yeah, I'm gonna keep this on forever.
So guys, you should know that pink is our favorite color. So she's gonna be excited every time you see pink stuff. You gotta see the pole.
It's not funny.
Let's see what's this. This looks like mine. Oh, this is a jean. It look big.
That's why you explained to get it.
Lord. This is a size. This is large. One bit large. Like the details on it. The reason I bought it was because of the yellow. Right? It's supposed to be a high-waisted. Oh. The details on this. Let's see. So you can't see. Oh my god. Why am I buying large? That's crazy. This is very roomy. This should have been a medium.
Oh, that's kind of green.
It is very big. It's very big. It's very bulgy.
Oh man, it looks yellow in this glasses.
Nah, this is not it. I like the style. Damn.
I'm the Anna.
It doesn't even make any sense, like returning stuff to Temu at this point. But I don't know what I'm gonna do with that.
Yep.
It's another glasses. One of these glasses is supposed to be for Tristan, you know.
Buy one for Tristan.
I purchased one for Tristan, yeah.
Is it mine?
No, it's for Tristan. Oh, it looks small. We're gonna have him try this. So this is Tristan is 10. Let's see if this fits him first. If not, you may have to get this. But it looks small. This is how it looks like. So we'll have Tristan try this. 2 more glasses in there, and that will be for the Temu haul. This one looks like another one for Tavania.
It is for me.
Ooh.
Is it for me?
It is for you, mommy. Look at, guys. What? Someone said my dad's and listen.
It's a little bit heavy for mine.
It looks a little bit big too. See.
I look like somebody else.
It's a bit big. I feel it for me. I think I yours now.
Well, it's not yours.
It look big.
Is it yours?
It can be mine, but I think it was yours. I think it's mine. Them something I shade them really dark, you know. So we have one more.
Is it Tristan teacher's or yours or mine?
And this is mine, darling. What I do like? Is this the same thing? Hold on. It's like the same thing, but this is brown and this is pink. So I guess you guys already. So they're all, I got 3 pairs of this. 1 black, 1 brown, 1 pink. So that's it for the Temu haul. And now we're going to jump right into the SHEIN. Guys, we have this big old bag. And we have
a big old box.
A big old box.
Why are you copying? Why are you copying me?
So I think we're gonna start with the
big old bag.
The big old bag first.
Just on with the big old bag.
This small bag.
It's mine.
This small bag.
Mine. Guys, it's for me. So I need to take out my slippies.
So this is how this is looking.
I'm keeping these on.
So this is how it's looking.
Look at
It's
my
basically
feet.
beige.
My feet. Forever. I'm talking about forever.
No description or anything, but I think this was a size. What size is this one? Size 31. It's supposed to be equal to a size 13.
If it's comfy.
So that is it. That is it. Nice. Fits very nice. I like it. You like it, Ev?
Yeah.
So we're gonna jump into the second box. This looks like mine's. So it's a similar slippers like what I got from Temu. This one is actually silver. Again, it's the same thing. Similar, but it's in silver. Again, this is size 8. It fits very nice. Again, it's a little bit loose with the straps, basically, but yeah, it's nice.
Please be me. Please be me. Please be me. Please be me.
It's actually you.
Yes!
This is the sandals for her. I got her Miss Duke.
Take off my beat.
I love this. Again, size 13. So this is how this is looking. Very cute. You like it? So guys, she's having a blast. Alright, let's see what else is in here. I feel like this is Fiora again, you know. And And again, you know they don't come with description. It just says silver. Okay, 2 slippers in this one, Mama.
It's for me?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Ooh.
Want to keep those on?
This is how this one is looking.
Ow, it hurts.
So this is, it hurts where?
And through here.
She's on. This is how this is looking. If it, maybe the 2 parts.
Ow, it hurts. I'm gonna be the unwanted.
This one is mine. It's about time. Ooh. This one like, what do you call it? Aloe vera. So comfy, guys, and it's not too tight and it's not too slacky. Like, it's just perfect. I like this. You can't close it. I dig. This is another sandals for me.
Oh my gosh!
This is what this is given. This is a denim look. This is very cute, simple, can run with anything. Yeah.
For you.
For me.
Again.
This one is the this is similar to somewhat similar to yours. But this is pink.
It is the same thing, but
It's similar, a little bit different.
It is.
Something similar
It's
to like
the
a
same.
brown one. Pinky and the brain.
Pink in the brain.
One's a genius, the other's insane.
I am singing.
Sandals, one more sandals, one more
What's wrong,
sandals, one more
Tamara?
sandals. Nice. Tell me so this is not nice. This is like the brown, like the
Can I see?
This is like the denim one.
Ooh, look at soft.
Yeah, it's like the denim one with different
nice.
colors. So this is like a beige. Guys, I'm loving these sandals. Like, guys, oh my god.
Nice. It's your bestie business. Oh
Ooh, these are some white ones with some gold sort of thing.
my. What are these?
Let's find out.
It looks like you get a massage
This
by
is
your
it.
feet.
It's very cute. It's very unusual. I like it. I like it.
I like these.
This is very unusual.
But
Very
you know what?
different. Actually, sandals for Tavania. Ooh. Ooh, this is nice. This is cute.
Imagine why they are so.
More sandals for Tavania. This is a white one. And you love this one?
Yes.
You don't want these slippers get jealous. Like what?
Oh, take this off.
No, don't take it off yet. Come. So this is it, guys. This looks really nice and they fit. One thing though, they look like they fit exact. Like she's not gonna have lots of wear in them, which is crazy. We have another. I bet sandals. Let's have again.
No.
So this one is another sandals for me. Like they close them in a box and they sandals them in here. So this is what this is given, but this is 39. Like it was small. I don't even know what color is this. Is it silver? Look silver. It should look gold. It should look like smack in the middle of half a tree. Let's check it out. So this is it. This one is a little bit exact, but again, this is SHEIN and Temu. We're not sending them back. It make no sense. So what kind of fruit we give it away? But this is nice. Alright, so that's what you're supposed to be buying. Last time that was for Tavania.
Pink. The pink.
You already saw the pink.
No, you supposed to be jealous.
She threw away the brown one. So guys, this is how this is looking. This is how this is. She threw away the brown one. She's there it is. She threw away the brown one.
L-O-V-E, love.
Nice. Yeah, this is it.
Phone case.
It is a phone case.
Oh my man.
I'll put this on right now. I hope it fits.
Oh my god,
My phone case is just looking like a hot mess. This is it for my iPhone 13. That's what I have. I don't feel like I'm going to upgrade right now. This is it. I'm going to put this on right now. I like the color. It's very simple. It's plastic. Okay, so that concludes the bag. So let's go in the very big bags right now. Nice. Look how much things in here, so these are all clothes and stuff. Like, you see that? And I see that something here? And I see that? Okay, let's dig in. Let's dig in. I'm gonna grab first. So she grabbed this bag, and in this bag it's a swimsuit. Yeah, it's a swimsuit for her.
That's what I see.
You saw this, right?
Yeah, can I try it on?
So this is it, guys. This is it.
According.
So this is actually a bag for you.
I thought it was going to be for you.
No, it's actually it. So this is
I really wanted
little
the purse like
purse.
that. I really wanted.
from the kids section, and then it has a little the strap inside.
Is this mine?
It is yours, but the strap look long.
Try it on. Girl, I'm gonna look like a family small model.
It's a little bit. The strap's long. Nice.
My turn.
I'm gonna be very honest. Majority of what's in here is for Tavania. So this is the outfit for her. This is a skirt.
Is it for me?
Yes, it is for you. And a top. These are all from SHEIN Kids. There's good vibes with matching bottom. So this is it. A little swirl. So it's a lap skirt, but right here is actually it's sewed. Yeah. But it's cute. How you feeling? Do you like it?
Yeah.
It looks like some form of animal. Like that's how this looks. But this is a bag. I have a pink one to this. If you guys had watched my my previous Temu haul, actually I've seen the pink one. But this looks nice. Feels nice. But this is mine's. Like so.
It looks like a heart, pretty girl.
It is a heart.
It's a heart, pretty girl. You are a heart, pretty girl.
And so I bet you guys if again watch my SHEIN haul.
One.
This is the yellow one. So I have the pink one already. This is the yellow one.
We all know what it is.
I don't think it was a haul that I did this in. I think it was a vlog.
I mean, you look like a lady with.
The only thing I don't like with these varsity jackets are because they don't have any pockets, and I'm a pocket girl. But this is it. I like it. This is not for summer. This is hot because it's actually see.
La Fine.
It's on the inside.
I can wear this flapper because it's yellow.
It matches our outfit.
Well, can I keep that, Mama?
She's all sunshine. It's another outfit for her.
and Mommy long legs.
This is brown. It's a short suit with the top part. Oh, Jesus. Aguilar Road. You wanna see this now? It comes with the strap. This is it. This strap number one, I think it needs to go on the belt, on the waist. So this is the outfit, guys. So obviously you have supposed to wear with this. Let's see. I like it. What do you think?
I like the shirt, Odie.
You like the shirt? You don't like the shorts? You don't like shorts, right? That's
Yeah.
the only reason.
Because I don't like stripes.
It's
you
cute,
know.
guys.
I don't like the pins because they are stripes. I don't like stripes.
You don't like stripes? Ooh, this one is gonna be cute. I remember this one. This is a dress with a mesh top on it, guys. I love this part. When I saw this, I'm like, yes, she has to have this. It's a dress. It's a Brooklyn, New York dress, right?
I love it.
Because a dress. It's a strapless. And then this goes over it. Like, what? So, guys, this is the dress.
I love this outfit because of the dress and this.
This top is everything.
I love this shit now.
It's so nice.
Can I keep this on forever?
This is so nice. Again, guys, more things have come. It's just Tabana. I think the swimmer, but this one is a two-piece. So it has a one-piece swimmer, and then it has got the cover up. Isn't this cute? Like what? So this is it, guys. But thankfully, this comes up. Belly outside door.
The belly's outside.
The girl have belly skin. A little bit big. So this is it, guys. This is the back. Turn around. So you can see it's a little bit big for her. This is also size 6.
What is this? A coat? A coat for a man?
No, it's a cover-up, mommy.
What is this? It's all low?
You wear this to the beach or to the
La, la, la,
pool.
la, la.
This is it. This is how this is looking. This is so cute. This one is a shirt. It looks like a bit biggish. I know she's not gonna like this because of shorts, but my shorts. It says, yes, I know I look like mommy. So guys, again, size 6. I feel like this is the regular casual, just
like
very
a boy in
loose.
this.
She doesn't like a little boy in this, right?
What does it say right here?
It says, yes, I know I look like my mommy. This is a silk robe. Strapped in here.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, I love this. This is feeling so nice.
I want another robe.
So soft.
You.
Okay. If all it stays, you're not see all of me something. But this is it. This is so nice. It's so silky and it feels so nice. This is a necklace.
For you.
I think it's for you.
What's that?
Let's see. It's matching necklace for both of us. Look, come here. This one says daughter and this one says mother. So matching silver necklace.
Can I see?
It's like a broken heart.
We got
Like
bracelets.
We got the bracelets and now we have the
The necklace.
necklace to match.
Nothing. Ballerina.
Guys, don't because she's not gonna like this. It's a top and a skirt. You see this top? And it's a skirt.
It's a banana.
Well, it's a shorts that looks like a skirt. It's a shorts. So this is it. This is a fancy dress up. Start to dinner
top.
kind of situation. I love
Top.
it.
I look like a rainbow puffy girl.
It looks like a flowers. This is it. This is the bottom. I love the shorts. This is the back. It's like a regular top, but then it turn around and then it goes bam. I can't find one close to me. Can I find one thing for me? What is this? Tiffany again.
Oh my
But can I get tired of Tiffany clothes, you know? This is like a romper. Ooh, I kind of like this. This actually fits you very nice, mommy. With the X at the back, yeah?
Ooh.
Right?
Yeah.
So this is very cute.
Mama, I like this part. I like this
It have
part.
pocket?
No.
It should have had pocket. If it had pocket, it would have been so nice. Oh, yeah, baby. I like this.
You like the clothes around?
I love the pose. Her suit here for Tavania. Yes, guys. I love this. So she had New York. This is Los Angeles. This has an altar top. So guys, this back's a little bit big.
Oh.
See? It's a little bit big.
This
But
is.
that's okay. Halter top, yeah. But this is how this is looking. Guys, we batched them done 2 times already. So this is going on for a while. So let's go. We have ton more left. Ton more left in the bag. And I understand Tavania's frustration because no, she's getting a little bit tired. So I want to wrap this up real quick. So we have all this still remaining. That's about half of the box. Well, let's see how quickly we can go. Majority of the clothes in here is going to be Tavania's own. So this is the jeans from me. Let's see if this fits. The size. What is the size? 1 to 130. This size medium, size 6. Let's see if this fits. Alright, I'm gonna do that top because this is a rip off for me. But I love this. I love this. Have pockets and everything. It's a high rise. Guys, I'm loving this. It fits so nice. Yeah, baby. This looks so nice. I'm loving this right now. This is cute. This is cute. This is cute. This is cute.
What are you even doing, Mama?
What is this? This is a skirt. Unicorn skirt. It's a 2-piece. The top to match. A little bit big. But she grew in this. Ooh, look at the front. It matches the unicorn. Look at that. Unicorn will go meow meow. Look at this. I love it. I love it. Do you like it?
Yeah.
So this is something like the blue one where you have the dress and then the thing that goes over, but this one is like floral.
I like the dress, but I don't like that. I'm getting married today.
This is it. So it's similar to the blue one, but it's yellow. It's yellow. All right.
Little posy.
All right. So this package, no, this is like mine. Is it mine?
Yes.
Please make something be mine. No, I think it's Vanya.
Oh
Jesus Lord, this is cute. This is at the top with a little bow. So this is the very stylish, and then a skirt. So keep going, keep going. Has a little strap to go with it. So I'm thinking this goes on the waist of the skirt. Yeah, like a little belt. I'm trying to figure out if this is the back or the front or the same thing or the matter to work on whichever shoulder you want. But this is it, and then it has the buttons at the front. She said when she just put this on, she said, what type of waist do you look like?
A Christmas girl.
A fancy Christmas girl, she said. I think I'm gonna have this go on the other side. I like it, it's a style. Fuck, this look like mine.
Mine.
Yes, it's a short, it's a set. It's a mechanical office now. This is it, guys.
Mama, how much time?
Savannah said like a striped girl.
Yeah,
Of
Mama.
course, you do a little sucky thing in here.
You think, Mama?
Again, wish I had pockets. I love this. This is it. SHEIN Kids. So it's definitely Savannah again. This is a romper. It looks a little bit big, but it's a romper. And then she has the top that goes over it like the dress.
This dress and this.
So see? And then she, of course, she has the sandals to go with us. I think I wanted this a little bit closer. Maybe I should have gotten a fashion. This big man, this has a lot of room in the crotch area, so. This is it with the shirt on. It's a cute outfit, but I just feel like it's too big for her, so it make her just look like
I'm sure that.
rah. This one is a dress, like a tennis, you know them tennis, yeah. This is how this one is looking, guys. It's a little dress, lavender, with a little heart on there. Again, a little bit big, a little roomy, but that's okay.
I can do a little troll.
These people just don't make pockets. Like, why would you not make pockets? This is a little bag for her. You can little stuff them in. Oh, this is so cute. Woman. Debbie, this is your bag. Look how cute this is. Oh, this is so cute. This is so nice. A little bit long. Yeah, open. Can't adjust it inside by just tying it. This is another swimsuit for her. So it has it's the one I'm losing it. What do you call this again? It's a one piece, and you have the shorts with it. So this is it. A shorts cover up. This look really nice. These feel soft and nice. So guys, I'm gonna have her just try one of these. Try one of these. You don't have to, these are a pack of 4 dresses inside of it. They feel very soft. They look thin though. I'm not gonna have her try everything. Tell you choose one color you want to try. So it has the beige looking brown, the pinkish looking burgundy, the gray looking one, and then the black one. Which one do you want to try? Just one. Pink one?
Yeah.
Okay.
because
We're gonna try that one. Oh, how does it feel, mommy? It feels so soft. How you like it?
Comfy.
You feel very comfy, right?
Yeah, it is comfy.
Maybe a little bit close. As a matter of fact, I feel like this is good. It's not too big, it's not too small, and it's not see-through. Well, let's make sure I want to put tights underneath this. I like this for her. One is mine, so let me just try this on real quick. This is a 2-piece. What is? On. There's a top and a bottom. This reminds me of something I get from Temu already. And I still haven't worn it, by the way. This is a pantsuit, but this pants look big. Hold on, guys. Not so bad. Not so bad. It's a high-waisted. Let's try this. Alright, guys. This is fashion.
What?
Like this. I have on a bra, guys. Don't knock me. I'm not take it off. But this is it. It's not bad. It's not bad. My body not so big in that neither. It's like a palazzo pants. Hold on. This is giving vacation. This is giving vacation. Like what? I love this. Go with a heel with this or flats. I'm liking this. What you guys think? Let me tell you, this dark. When you put this on, you kind of say not like everything is just black. Shein kids. Shein kids. Shein kids. Oh, this is annoying. So much, like, there's so many stuff in there for this little girl. Oh my. Ooh, this is a.
That's for me.
No, this is mine's. Mine's. This
It is like
dress. Ooh, let me see me have the body for putting on this. It's the long maxi dress. It's talk to me now. Talk to me nice now. Talk to me nice now. I don't
like the part.
Guys, so remember I'm going to the gym, right? I haven't been for a while now, but working on the back. We're working on these, look a roll up. But to be honest, it don't look bad. Wanna think. I like it. Again, I have on the bra. It look a sing something here, so. But I like it, man. And if I don't want the back to show, you know what? I put on a little jacket over it, if that's the case. But I love the colors. And our outfit for me, this is a short suit. This is giving vacation. Giving running to the beach. So people, tell me why I'm going for all these belly skin stuff. But this is it. I know how I'm feeling about this. It's like a crochet type thing. Get a body right and jump back into it. So this is what this is giving. This is almost everything Tavania's on. So we're gonna run through this real quick. It's a cute dress. It's like a jersey dress. Like, this is it. It's like a flowy dress. Again, a little bit too big for her. We're working. We're working. She can wear a jerk. We're going through the next one. Quick and fast. It's the nice blue dress that can go with her jeans skirt, or jeans slippers thing over just what. It's the dress. I love this dress. It's very nice.
Make me do a twirl for the video.
I hear some mess up song. Woo! This is nice. I love this for her. This is a green. What is this? What is this? A dress? This is another dress. It's a romper. This is a romper. A little fashion romper. Okay, so this little fancier. Ooh! This is so fancy. At the back, guys, the romper, right? This is a nice little romper. So here it is. This is how it looks. A little fluffy thingy at the front. When I talk soon, I'm looking at the glass. Sorry. It's so cute. I love that. Okay, quick and fast. I'm not gonna have her try this. You know what? You want to try it on? I thought you didn't want to try these things. Another swimsuit is a little, what is rabbit or a kitty?
It's a kitty.
A kitty this?
From Hey Gabby.
Hey Gabby has this.
Hey Gabby. Yep.
So this one is, I like this. This one
Hey
actually fits her.
Gabby.
Back has a little egg. What is this? Oh, it's a little romper. Alright, so guys, it's a cute little simple romper. It's not what is. It's another romper. Blue one. Another fancy one like the green one that we saw. How we pull this now? So like this. It actually have the tag at the back, so let's see how we work this out. I'm telling you, cook out fast, mommy. Come on. That is very nice. I love that. Again, no pocket. Them should have. Shein, you guys need to start making stuff with pockets. Like I don't get it. I don't get it. More stuff. This is like more swimsuit, mommy. One piece.
It's not. I know one piece. It's not.
And then you have a little beach cover up, like a dress, a skirt. That's how this is looking. Oh, this is cute.
Mommy, why are you covering it in the mommy tail?
Look, it made it like a dress, right? It looks like a dress when you put everything together. And another package, of course, for her. Let's see what this is. Another swimsuit. This one is a 3-piece, 2-piece, and then you have the cover up. And to look a bit big. Swimsuit, okay?
Belly button.
So there, that's how it's looking, guys. What is this? Ooh. This is a dress, guys. I'm loving this. Pretty.
Look like I'm going to school.
This is so nice. It's just not too big, not too small. This is so cute. I love the colors too. Alright guys, I find it's a tank top for me. It says Overthinker. A simple tank top. You can wear anything. Overthinker, because that's what I am. This is so cute. So this is a formal dress. I wish it had sleeves. On the picture, it had more fur to this, like more. What do you call it? It was more fluffy. If you know what I mean. You know what I'm trying to say? So I bought this for her to go to church, but this is simple enough. It's not as pizzazz as I thought it was gonna be. This is another a little dress. I bought this because I said before I got up by size 6. She's a size 5. You guys want her growing up. This is actually a romper. I wish it was a little bit closer.
For you.
Oh, this is a bonnet set for her. You have a regular one.
For
and
me?
this one that yeah, for you. Alright, this is it guys. 3 more items. This is a bag for her.
Yes!
Guys, look at this. So it's like a heart. Right? And then it goes on the open. I don't know if you guys can see. That is so cute. Hold on, I like it. No, like this, open. Heart close. That's so cute, right? What is it? It comes with a bracelet, mama. It has a bracelet on it.
Okay.
Oh, stiff man. So cute. But like the pearl is a little bit stiff. So it comes with the strap inside if you want the gold. And it also have like the regular. No, Tevi, this was the belt that was supposed to go with the dress. Just now. I already take off, but this was the belt that was supposed to go with the dress. Alright, so I have the denim dress. Hold on. Oh, a strap. Ooh. It's actually a romper. I love this, guys. This fit perfect too. Oh, hold on. The strap. Look here, I don't strap. I'm not a strap person. So I don't even know how to tie a strap in. Everything comes with strap. I have to go back on the website to see.
On you like 4, 3, 2,
you'll be there. Alright, so guys, this is it. I love it. It feels so soft and nice.
On you.
Get no pocket, but this is it. The back is perfect. It's a halter top. Swimsuit again. I don't think I'm gonna have her try this on. She's tired. She's exhausted. So this is a 1-piece.
It's not funny.
And then you have a little tie. You call it. You know what I mean? I'm so tired too. So yeah, so this is it, guys. I want to show you what we have to clean up now. Well, me have to clean up because Tamana cleaned that. You can have your popsicle. Look at all this that I have to go clean up. This is a lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff. I feel like Shein 6 is bigger than regular 6. Does that make sense? Because 6 is what she's wearing, but in any case, I don't want anything too fitted for her because that's what 5 is doing. She is 5, and majority of what she has been. I normally buy 1 size over, which is if she's 4, I'm buying size 5. When she's 5, I buy size 6, just to, you know, make sure that she don't jump out of stuff, but that never stopped her before. But yeah, that is all we have today. That was a very long video. I hope you guys enjoyed that mini me and me video try on haul. If you haven't already subscribed yet, guys, please go ahead and subscribe. If you like the video, please do a thumbs up, comment under the comment section, share the video, and until next time, guys, bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.